Hey guys, NJ Pyro here. So I am at a Stop and Shop in Wyckoff, New Jersey, and the Phantom fireworks are out. So I'm going to quickly show you what they have. No different than what they had last year. Most likely I will not pick anything up. I have mostly all this stuff already. Maybe some sparklers. Always got to have the sparklers. Savage fountain, $9.99. Maybe that. This opens just not that long ago. Got that at home. Ground blooms, maybe some of those I'll get. Patriotic sparks, which I think that's Lady Liberty's $22.99. Patriotic sparks is $32.99. The Night Justice fountains, $3.99. Starlight 2. Which is really Starlight 3, but they have it marked as Starlight 2. So it's really Starlight 3, that's $6. Tanks. Smoke bowls. Oh. I like this fountain, $5. I think I'm actually gonna get that. It's a very good fountain. It's those purple colors that I like. Nope. That is everything here. Thanks for watching.